How do you create nested dict in Python? I have two CSV files, data and mapping. Mapping file has 4 columns, device_name, garden, device_type, and device_os. All 4 columns are populated. Data file has these same columns, with device_name column populated and the other 3 columns blank. I want my Python code to open both files and for each device_name in the data file, map its garden, device_type, and device_os value from the mapping file. I know how to use dict when only 2 columns are present, one is needed to be mapped, but I don't know how to accomplish this when 3 columns need to be mapped. Following is the code using which I tried to accomplish mapping of device_type. It returns attribute error. After some researching, I think I need to create a nested dict, but I don't have any idea how to do this.
A nested dict is a dictionary within a dictionary. A very simple thing. You can also use a default dict from the collections package to facilitate creating nested dictionaries. You can populate that however you want. I would recommend in your code something like the following. According to your comment. Maybe above code is confusing the question. My problem in nutshell. I have 2 files a.csv, b.csv. A.csv has 4 columns IJKL, b.csv also has these columns. I is kind of key columns for these CSVs. JKL column is empty in a.csv but populated in b.csv. I want to map values of JKL columns using I as key column from b.csv to a.csv file. My suggestion would be something like this, without using default dict. Please note though, that for parsing CSV files there is a CSV module.
Update: for an arbitrary length of a nested dictionary, go to this answer. Use the default dict function from the collections. High performance: if key not in dict is very expensive when the data set is large. Low maintenance: make the code more readable and can be easily extended.
For arbitrary levels of nestedness.
References: EasyDict GitHub, Addict GitHub. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.